Yo, what's up, Most dude? How you doing, buddy? Welcome in, welcome in. Sorry, I'm just running a little bit. I had to do something in Rust, I'll be honest with you, bro. Now that's done, I'm here. How you doing, man? Hey, you doing good about yourself? Good. Actually, you might be able to help me out. You're pretty good on my scripting and stuff, right? So, apparently there's a thing called a common script, which is this thing. Now, I need to work out how to modify this. Did you take a look at VS Code? No, what am I using at the moment? Visual Studio? Can I just download it now? Can I download it right now, or is it free, or you gotta pay for it, or? Hold up, so it should be in here. What would it be under them? I don't remember what this thing's under them. Repels, auto battle system. I'll just use a official one, I guess. Is it gonna fuck anything up though? Like, all my shit's set up. I'm so used to this program now. Like, is it gonna fuck anything up, man? Just a heads up. So is it just Visual Studio Code? Is it the one you're talking about? I'm just scared, man. Is Visual Studio Code better than this one? This is just Visual Studio. Like, what's the difference? Hold up. Has it got the same functionalities though, man? Because I still need to use this for like GitHub and stuff. I have to be able to like, I have to change branches and does it have the same GitHub side of things? Like, see this thing in the bottom corner? I can go to different branches on my GitHub and then I can like change, or you check out between them, and then you can, so you can like modify one branch and then you can like merge it into a different branch if you want to like keep, say, the AI branch. Mostly AI stuff, but you don't want the AI stuff in your main branch where you edit everything. You get what I'm saying? Yeah, it's standard. So it's exactly the same. What's the difference between VS Code and this one then? What's the difference? Why are you doing that then? Trying to remember how I did this. And most importantly, code highlighting. Okay. Do you understand what this all means? Do you understand ASM modes? Probably not. I don't know how the fuck Kuma expects me to understand this shit, man. Touchscreen menu shown. I wanted to like put a menu in my game. Apparently you can do it through this, but I need to look at my PC. So oh, can you? All right. Well, do you want me to do it now? So is it literally just Visual Studio Code? All right, let's go have a look then. So what do I want it for? I'm on Windows, so I'm guessing I want it. Is it user installer 64 ARM64, system installer x64 ARM64, zip x64 ARM64, or CLI x64 ARM64? Which one is that? I'll just show you on here. Alright, so try to download this. Give me a second, just in case it shows anything important. And my C drive's already fucking mad full, isn't it? Got 27 gigs. Can I use something else? Probably that one. Probably B drive. Do I want to create a desktop icon? Add I open with code action to Windows Explorer file context menu. Register code as an editor for supported file types. Add to path requires shell restart. Which one's most? But I tick. Keep as is. So why is there Visual Studio Code, but then there's a Visual Studio? Like, what's the fucking difference, man? Well, I mean, you've already told me the differences, but yeah. Let's have a look, I guess. It's age difference? What do you mean by age difference? Well, how old is Visual Studio then? Is this the program here? So now my question is, how do I get all the shit? As in, like, how do I... Because this took a little bit to set up. How do I get this... Like, how do I get my GitHub and everything to link up with this program? Visual Studio was in 2016? No cap. Yeah, so how do I get all my GitHub and all this stuff linked up with this new editing program? So I should be able to just go like file and then just go open folder. Yeah, open folder. And we just want to go to HeartGold engine, I'm guessing. So here, just this one. Select folder. Do you trust the authors or the files in this folder? Yay or nay? Trust the authors or all files in the parent folder, Pokémon HeartGold. Well, yeah, I'd guess so because that's my main folder. No, I don't trust the authors. Yes. I'm going to assume it's just that and that. All right, for most response time. Do you trust your own files? Yes, I do trust my own files. Yes. Okay. Right. So now, does it have all the same features? Like, you know, you got Git changes, and you can like, you can stage, write a message, commit all, and then push to GitHub. Has it got all the same features as what this? I mean, I'm probably asking a dumb question. I'm guessing it does, but it's like. Because everything's in different spots now, so now I've got to work out where the fuck everything is. Click on the third icon. Oh no, it's down the bottom here. Yeah, so Solid Gold AI Dev. Yeah. So if I click on that. Oh, so you can actually click publish to GitHub. Right, but what if I want to like... So, can I change the branch from here? Alright, so left side menu, yeah. Are you talking about source control? Is that what you're talking about? Click on the third icon. This one here. Is that source control? Yes. Yep. Oh, commit. Okay, so commit all, and then you'd push, right? So it should be showing, oh yeah, so it's got to load. Okay, so yeah, it's showing trainer S, DSPRE, changes.txt. Cool. Okay, well, let's just leave this over here for now. Let's just make this full screen so I can actually look at what the fuck I'm doing. Where's that shit? Alright, I need to I need to familiarize myself with the UI. The James. Okay, so you don't have to double click on it. It can just, I see. So the left is what it used to be and the right's obviously what it's going to. Cool. Same with this one. I do like the fact that this is nice and grayed too. It's a lot easier to read. It's got cool little things like the squiggles are like red, so it's like it's not just all in fucking white. Okay. Right, so now how do I get back to just like, because that's like my changes. How do I get back to like my directory where I can see all my files? I'm guessing all this shit on the side is just AI stuff, is it? All right, so when you're done, oh yeah, see, it's up here. No, that's not what I want. Okay, so that's close the AI thingy. So this thing of him. Right, so basically I go into source control and this will just show me my differences and stuff like that. Now, if I'm say happy with this, and I want to push the git, okay, there's push there. So what I'd have to do is I would stage. So stage changes. Can you stage all of them? Yeah, so you stage all changes. And then it would go to here or wherever it is. You just make a message, hit commit. Does that push at the same? Oh yeah, so you can just commit and push. Okay, so I could commit and push at the same time. Okay, and then that would push it up to my GitHub Solid Gold AI dev. Okay, so yeah, I think it's pretty straightforward. It's just everything's in different spots now, so I'm just trying to learn where the fuck everything is. All right, so this source control is your GitHub side, your changes, if you want to push it, if you want to pull. You can click commit and then it turns to a sync button to push. Right, gotcha. And then obviously if I want to just make more edits and changes, like I can close this down and come in here and, oh, that's cool. So it actually tells you like what sort of file it is. So like that's an ASM file, that's a TXT file. That's cool. Like it actually has images next to each file and it tells you exactly what it is. It's kind of fancy, isn't it? And then I'm guessing there's like an explorer as well. Like how could I search? I can just search it here. Okay, so I could just go like common script. Oh yes, and then it comes up like that. So you can just open it up. Okay. Okay, Mr. Mose, you might have won me over, sir. So what do I do now with my other program? Do I just close it? Like I don't have to delete anything. I can just close it and just not open it again now that I'm using this one, right? So I can just close that. So what? I'm curious to know like how old it is. That's Visual Studio 2022, by the way. I have got no fucking idea where all the portable PC shit is. Visual Studio is usually just used for UI programs. Right. I see. All right, well, cool. Let's go train yeah, like that. So what's a cool feature? Like, because everything's still white as it's meant to be, right? Is there like some cool shenanigans you can show me? Like, can I like make, I don't know, make certain things colored so it's easy to find or whatever? Like, because you're talking to me before about this whole color thing. So if I want to check out, so I can just go here and just go. So if I click that checkout on vscode.dev, does that mean I'm switching from this branch to this branch? Is that correct? Okay, so last icon in the left menu, extensions, yep. The fuck was that noise? Is it prettier code? Can you just type it in? Yeah, MASMTASM, that one there. I swear you're trying to dox me, bro. You better not be doxing me, man. Is that it there? Is that it there, bro? Is that the one you're talking about? MASMTASM? TASM? MASM TASM? Are you Googling? Alright, well, I won't implement anything yet until... Oh, it shows info. Oh, this is for assembly. Is this just so it's easier to read or something? Is that what it is? I don't know if I do a lot of ASM. A lot of this engine is all C, so I don't know if this is that important for me right now. I don't know how important this is for me right this minute. I might just chill. If it's something we can look at later, then yeah. I can remember how to fucking do this, man. It's been a while. We got Porter PC. When was the last time I talked about him? That was tonight. I could go on to... Is there a way for me to check my GitHub and check like commits for this program, or... Oh, this is cool. This is like... Oh, I see. This is like all my commits I've done. Yeah, so this is all. So I can scroll through this. This is all the shit I've done over time. So all this is like all my commits that, and like this just shows. Is this like a history of what I've done? Like it shows when I've merged or pulled, or I've like made a commit and pushed it and stuff like that. Is that what this is? Is like a history of events or something? Yep, exactly. So if I want to search in here, do I just have to manually scroll? I can't like type in like keywords like portable PC and stuff like that. Because this is also showing things that I've merged in from other people. There's all these people like Agatha's, Nathan Wiltshires. Like I think that's the guy that made HeartGold Engine. Oh, there's going to be a lot of commits and shit. I don't know if there's a quick way for me to just type in like a search. Yeah, if I want to switch to a different branch. So like I just go into this and then what do? Do I just go like, say if I want to switch from my AI dev branch to my main 2 branch, which is where I make all my edits. Do I just click on it anywhere or do I have to actually click check out on vscode.dev? Well, obviously it wouldn't be open on GitHub, but like, do I have to click check out on VS Code Dev to switch from the AI Dev branch to this branch, or can I just click on it and it'll check me out to that branch? Do you get what I'm saying? Because you know what checkout means? It just means it's switching to that branch or whatever. And if you got any changes on the previous branch, it will ask you, do you want to like bring them with you or something like that? But yeah, I just don't know. Do I click this? Do I click on this part though, most, or do I click on checkout on vscode.dev? Like, does it matter? Can you just click where my mouse is now, like this big rectangle section, as long as you're on the branch you want to click? You can start the changes. Yeah, I know what you're saying, but like if I want to change branch, so if I want to go from the AI dev branch, which is the one I'm on now, to this main 2 branch, so I just click here. I don't want to stash the changes because the changes I've made on this AI branch. Just click it and see. Nope, I had some noise. I had some like weird noise. What the fuck was that? Normally it asks me if I want to bring the changes over, but it hasn't this time. Maybe it's just automatically done it. But now it's not. Yeah, so it's got razor leaf, but it's not showing me that on this side. What the fuck? It did before when I was on the branch I did it on, but now I'm on this branch. It's not showing me that. Synchronized changes, maybe? Is that what that is? Synchronized changes? Maybe you have to synchronize changes so that it brings the changes from the branch that I was on before into this branch, right? I think you have to check out. I'm pretty sure that that's what that is. You have to switch into that branch. Yeah, okay, I see what you're saying. Yeah, no, but I wanted to show me what it existently like. Okay, now it's doing it. Yeah, I don't know why I didn't do it before. I just had to scroll up. Okay, so yeah, now that's what I wanted to do. So it's showing me that this file, trainers.s, trainer data 63, Randolph. Originally it was Trailblaze. Now it's... Oh wow, there's all these sound effects. What the fuck? I don't know if I'm going to get used to those sound effects. What the fuck? But yeah, so like right now I'm on Solid Gold Main 2, right? So if I click on this one, yeah, so your current branch is always shown in the bottom left or with the blue tag with the at the start. Or with the blue tag with the at the start. Where are you looking at though on the screen? Where the fuck are you looking? Yeah, well, you're saying your vision's bad, but I'm still trying to find where you're looking. Hold up. So it's in the graph view. It's circles. Are you talking about these little circles over here? That's outgoing changes. What the fuck? There's so many different things that are all over this shop. There's so much shit to take in. I'm trying to work out the UI, man. Like, I'm used to the old one. It's just, this is kind of whack for me. Okay, so like, I'm just trying to explain to you what my scenario of events is, right? So like, what I'd normally do is I'd go into Solid Gold Main 2, right? So I've been here. I'd make changes to whatever the file is, right? Let's say it's trainers S, whatever. Let's just go trainers S. You'd come in, you'd make a change, right? Like say it's this guy here, and you can like, what would you do? You would push. No, hold up. You would stage it, write a message, commit, and you'd push it to Solid Gold Main 2 GitHub, right? And then what you'd do is then you'd check out to the AI, which is this branch, and you would basically type in through a WSL thing, or you would type in git merge Solid Gold Main 2. And what it would do is it would bring the changes that you just pushed to GitHub into your Solid Gold AI dev branch. So you get what I'm saying? Because essentially, if you're making a change on your Solid Gold Main 2 branch, which is like my trainers, my encounter lists, all that stuff, and I'm happy with it and I think it all works, I push it to GitHub, so it's kind of like a backup, right? So it's a, you know, obviously not GitHub is, so it's like a backup, and other people can access it, read it, whatever. And then what I want to do is I want to bring that information also into the AI branch, and the AI branch has extra stuff. So it's got my main 2 branch as well as all this AI code. But I don't want the AI code on my main 2 branch because my AI branch is where I make the ROM, and then yeah. I never merge in VS Code, to be honest. I always use GitHub. But I guess it's the same concept, right? What's this program called? VS. In the search bar, type git merge. Nah, because it's only searching through HeartGold engine at the moment. No, so I do the merging stuff through a different program. I'll show you. I do use it at WSL. I don't know if I'm meant to legally show this. I can't even tell, man. So this is what I do. I do this. I go like this. Right. I go git branch. So it tells me what branch I'm on. So it says I'm on Solid Gold AI Dev branch, which is correct. So if I go here and I change the main 2, it should change it to this branch. And then this should also change if I type in git branch. Yep, so it's working. Solid Gold Main 2. So it's saying I'm on that branch. So what I do is I type in git merge Solid Gold Main 2. And what it does is when I hit enter, if I'm on the Solid Gold AI Dev branch, anything that's on GitHub, it will pull it. Oh, sorry, it will merge any new changes, whatever, into my whatever branch I'm on. So at the moment, it's not going to do anything because I'm on the same branch. But if I was to just do this and go down to here, go back to my AI Dev branch like so, go in here, go git branch to see what branch I'm on. It says, yes, you're on Solid Gold AI Dev. So we type in git merge Solid Gold Main 2. And then if I hit enter, Oh, hold up. But yeah, this is what I'm saying is this is how this WSL side of it works, which is how I've been shown how to do it, but I'm guessing there's other ways to do it. But yeah, so we go, what are you saying? Go. Oh, so, oh, I see. Show and run commands. Okay, so then you'd go git merge. Yeah, so git merge. I wonder if you can just type it in. I mean, I guess you could do a git merge, but you got to tell it where you want to merge from, right? Oh, so that WSL I was showing you, that's just git in command line. So what you're telling me is that I don't have to use WSL. I can use this. But that's the thing is that WSL is where I make stuff as well. I got to use that command to make my game because I have to make my ROM, and it basically pulls everything out of HeartGold engine and creates a new game by overriding the ROM that's in that folder at the time. Or I guess it, I wouldn't say merges it, but it creates the game, whatever you want to call it. So you're just saying if I type in git merge, or go into here and just go that git merge. Stage or merge changes. So if we just kick git merge, what's that going to do? Yeah, so it's only, that's what I'm saying. I don't want it to merge Zedakae AI. I want it to merge, but it's not going to show it. Is it because it doesn't it doesn't recognize it? The only two options it's given me is HeartGold engine, Zedakae AI dev. So it's saying for me to merge my git branch into my local, but I want to merge a different branch into this branch. You get what I'm saying? So I don't know if it's because it's not set up with this. I don't know. Okay, what if I check out to main 2? Git merge. Yeah, so it's only giving me, so it's allowing me to merge the same branch, but from GitHub, if GitHub's got anything different. But it won't allow me to merge a different branch into this branch through this. I can do it through my WSL command prompt thing, but anyway, I mean, it's not the end of the world. I can still use the WSL for that side of things, I guess. But what I want to do is I want to go to, so we're here. All right, so we've made one change, I guess. Next change. No changes. DSPRE, any more changes? Oh, hold up. Okay. So go here. Oh, no, sorry. I'm looking at the wrong thing. So in the source control, click up the first N arrow. Hold on, I'm doing one thing at a time. So in the source control, click the first down arrow to fetch all. So fetch from all remotes. Would you like Visual Studio Code to periodically run git fetch? Yes, no, ask me later. Wait, is this the same thing? Can I type in git branch? What comes up? Oh, so it does the same thing. So I don't even have to open up WSOM. Oh, that's so cool. So like I don't have to have, so what you're telling me is, so instead of having this, what is this, command prompt or whatever it is, this command line, you're saying I can use the inbuilt terminal in here and do the same thing. Oh, that's fucking sick. Okay. So git branch. Yep, so I'm on the right branch, even though I can see that, but it's just nice to see that. That's really cool, Bart. So if I wanted to merge, that should be all in here. Is that way for me to check? If I just type in git merge. Nah, it's still only giving me 2 options though. It's not giving me... I mean, I can still do it from this terminal though, right? I can still do the git merge from... Because it's linked, like all these are linked together. Because you got branches and you got remote branches. You've got upstream, origin, solid gold main 2, solar AI, animation. No, HG engine is a repository. But Solid Gold Main 2 is a branch, and Solid Gold AI Dev is a branch. So you have essentially what starts off as main, which is this one here. So main is just HeartGold engine with like their changes only. What do you mean then click that in git merge? So what I'm saying is you've got like main is where like all of Blue Rose's changes are. So like if he's implementing anything new to HG engine for everybody to use, he'll basically put it into main, right? And then what happens is that everyone will fork the repository of his main, and then you basically call it, like you'll have your own one called main, which is it's literally a duplicate of his main. Then you have Solid Gold main 2, which is basically your game. So all your changes to his engine go in here. So like you use the base engine still, but you're adding your own stuff to it, like Pokemon encounters, trainer battles. You know, you might add in like things like Infinity Red Candies. So you're adding in stuff that he doesn't have on his main branch. And then I have my AI branch, which is like, I want the AI branch to be the branch that I make my game from, because AI branch has everything from main 2, but then the AI branch has extra stuff on it. Like the AI and custom C script coding or whatever you want to call it. VS Code has a worse interface for Git. Well. Apparently VS Code has a worse interface for Git is what Kuma's telling me, which is... So what program do I use then? This one or the last one? But anyway. What I'm saying is when you do git merge in the search, it only gives you 2 options. So choose HG engine because it's the name of the repository you want to merge to. Yeah, so go here and we go git merge, yeah. But what? But it says Solid Gold. Okay, so yeah, that one. And then what? Just click the branch that I want to merge? He's saying VS Code sucks hard. VS community is much better. Fuck's sake. Everyone's telling me different things. One says VS Code sucks. Now someone's telling me VS Code community is much better. What the fuck? Select a branch or tag to merge from. Yeah. So now it's asking me, you want to merge from what branch? So I would say this branch, because that's what I normally do. I want to merge Solid Gold Main 2 to Solid Gold AI Dev, which is the branch I'm in now. But I don't want to merge right this minute. Yeah, because see at the top here it says select a branch or tag to merge from. So I would click this one if I had anything updated in that branch and I wanted to bring it to my Solid Gold AI Dev branch, which is the branch I'm currently logged into. Right. Okay. So for now, we don't need to do anything. Right? Yeah. If I wanted to merge something, that's how you do it. That seems pretty straightforward. So I should be able to do all the merging and stuff within this. I shouldn't have to use my command thingo, but I still need it to obviously make the game and stuff. Okay, so now... okay, so now... Okay, I'm going to get back to what I was doing before. So for now... I can leave this shit here because like, well, I mean, the main thing is I can just click on that. I want to go to my Solid Gold Main 2 branch. So is that checking out or is it just letting me view the branch? I'm going to assume it's checking out. So it's saying synchronize changes, right? So synchronized changes will be these ones, right? So that and that. So yes, I'm going to say yes, synchronize. This action will pull and push commits from hold up. This action will pull and push commits from and to. Okay, hold on. No, that's not what I want. I just want to pull the changes that I made in my other branch. Fuck, dude. Why does this seem difficult? So it should just allow me to just check out. So it should be, maybe it says check out VS Code, maybe? No, that's just takes me to a website. We don't want that. I use Git daily. No. So, okay, listen, man. Listen. So, I'm on Solid Gold AI Dev branch. Yes. Now, in Visual Studio 2022, all you would do is you would switch to another branch, right? Because I haven't committed, I haven't staged, I haven't committed, I haven't pushed any of these changes here, right? But if you switch to a different branch like this and you go to, say, Solid Gold Main 2, right? Those changes are still there, right? But what it allows you to do is it will usually prompt you, do you want to bring the changes from the other branch that you were just on, the AI branch, into this branch that you've just changed to? And normally you'd say yes. If it's something like as simple as this, or if it's something as simple as like you've just edited this, because obviously I want my Solid Gold Main 2 to be updated to like all these changes. Like I've changed it to Razorly from Trailblaze, right? I don't want my AI branch being different than this branch. I want my Solid Gold Main 2 branch to have all the correct moves, all the correct like numbers, stats, IVs and stuff like that, because the AI branch is just to add the AI over the top. Yeah, it does that. It just doesn't prompt you. So, okay. So that what you're telling me is that's just an old thing from the program I used to use. So Visual Studio 22 would prompt you. Do you want to stash the changes that you've made in the AI branch before coming to Solid Gold Main 2 branch? Or do you want to bring the changes with you? So you're telling me that it just automatically brings the changes with you. Have you tried rebasing instead of merging? No, I don't even know what rebasing is, my guy. Remember, I'm like a fucking noob when it comes to all this Git shit. I've learned one way and that's it. Oh, apparently there is a Sorciata's Trailblaze animation fix. Maybe it has been fixed. Anyway, so what you're telling me is right now that, because it says synchronize changes, I'm guessing that would just synchronize these changes onto the branch, because like it's different. If you go back to the other branch, it basically goes, do you want to push them? It doesn't talk about synchronizing. It just says push for commits to Origin Solid Gold AI Dev, but I don't want to do that. I want to, I'm guessing, like you said, it just must automatically bring the changes over without prompting you about them, that's all. If you synchronize changes, I'm guessing it must just push this. But I don't want to do that. I want to basically make all my changes in here first. Then I want to push it. And then I want to basically merge into AI branch when I get them. Yeah, well, because you understand where I'm coming from there, right? So basically how it works is that I'll give you a quick gist. So main is where like I do an origin pull or whatever you want to call it. So anything that's been changed on Blue Rosy's HeartGold main, HeartGold engine main repository, right? I pull it into my main branch, right? Which is my repository, right? But main is my main branch. Then I pull all those changes and updates and stuff that happens every single week, because he makes changes every single week. I pull that into my main. And my main is where I make all my changes. My fights, my IV changes, my encounter pulls. I want to add portable PC, whatever, right? I add all that stuff into there. So Solid Gold Main 2, which it should just be Solid Gold Main, but I forgot to delete the main test yet, so I've just been using this one. So Solid Gold Main 2 is like my main branch that uses everything from main in that branch, but with all my edits is the easiest way to explain it. Then what I do is I basically merge that into Solid Gold AI, and then Solid Gold AI will then have the AI concepts. Do you want me to do it in Paint for you, bro? Hold up. Let's just do it in Paint. It's so much easier to explain. So you basically got, you got the main repository, which is this. So we'll call this HG engine, right? So then I have main. Right? And then I have my main. So this is the edited main. Can I just type? Fucking pencil sucks. And then this is the end product. This is like the game. This is like the AI dev. Game. So basically, do you understand what happens? So this is the main HeartGold engine, this bit here. This is the developer. This is the main guy. This is the dude that has rewritten everything in C. Then I basically make my own repo, which is, this is my repo, right? This is my repository right here. So I've got literally a duplicate of whatever he's added in here. So my main has to be updated all the time so that it matches his. And then I basically pull those changes into my main, which is Solid Gold Main 2. I make all my edits and stuff in here. And then once I'm happy, I push it into the AI branch. And then the AI branch is literally everything from this branch, but then it has AI stuff on top. So it has like trainer AI. So like how the AI, how the trainers react in a battle. Like they go, well, you're going to use Fire Blast into my grass type and you're faster and you OHKO me. So I'm going to do this. That's where all this calculations happen in here. So it's literally like a 4-step process, right? And you can make other branches for different things. Like you can have like another branch here, because you don't want to put all this extra shit into your main. This is like your core edits. That's like your main edits in here. This could be like animations or something. That's like your animations branch. So like I can make custom animations and shit, but I don't want that coming into this yet. Like I don't want it to come this way yet until I'm happy and everything's working and it's not bugged. And then once I'm happy, then I'll push it to my main. And then once it's in my main, then I'll push it to AI. Right? And then, well, yeah, this arrow is already in the right direction. So they don't, you don't push the animations into the AI branch, because you basically, everything will go to main. So you pull anything that's important from here. You pull anything that's important from here, make your main game, send it to the AI, add the AI over the top, and then make the game. So you're telling me that the rebase is to prevent doing this massive collation of events, right? But I only know how to do it this way, so I just kind of want to stick to it, because otherwise I'm fucking going to get more confused. All right, it's 10:48 and I've done nothing in 48 minutes. Let's do something. 57 minutes to be exact, actually. So, right now, you're telling me that it's in Solid Gold Main 2. So anything I'm going to change in here now, sorry. Like if I want to be certain, I can just type in git branch, and it's saying I'm on Solid Gold Main 2, which I am. So we go into here. My changes are there, and my changes are there. That's fine. So now we want to make more changes. So what I need to work fucking out though is I gotta work out how the fuck I did this this PC shit. I just don't remember how I did it. I'm gonna have to go look through some shit and try and find it. It might be in here, maybe. No, it's not showing it. Port on PC. Where is it? This dude's done it, which is kind of cool, actually. Here it is, Simon. Is this the question? Is this something I want to fuck around with now? You know what I mean? Alright, so I should better go into documentation. I had a portable PC, but it doesn't tell me what I did. I cannot remember what the fuck I did. No, so what you're telling me too, though, is that most I should be able to go into my here. Is there a way to search for your history? Was it just easier going onto GitHub and searching it manually? I just don't know. Is there like an easier way for me to find where I've pushed my portable PC stuff? Do you get what I'm saying? Is there a way to like search in here? So I don't want to go to file. What do I want to do? I want to go... Is there a way to like search your commits for like text in there that had portable PC ran? Like search for text maybe. Yeah, we got portable PC. That's my DSP changes file. I don't want that. I want to actually look for my commits. With percentage, you can search for text inside files. Okay. What if I typed in implemented? I just typed in PC then. PC. PC is in so many different things though. Fuck me, man. I'm trying to find the files that I used to implement this portable PC, but I just can't remember what I did. Because it's been so long. And the only way for me to remember is to go into my commits and look at my commit message. Because you know, you can like, you write a commit message here. I'm trying to work out where that commit message is, and I don't remember what was said in that message. It might be just easier to go onto the website and do it, I think. It'd probably just be easier to go on the website and just do it the hard way. GitHub. Because you should have like a commit history and you can just scroll through it, I think. I believe that's right. Have a look. Yeah, here we go. It's all time. Have a look at this one. Yeah, so I added some stuff in. You got go to if set, skip PC on off, skip PC on off. This is what I'm saying though. I'm not gonna know how to fucking do this common script shit, man. I don't know what Kim is expecting from me. I'm not gonna be able to work that out. I don't understand what any of that means. Or this PC anywhere either. This is all ASM. I got no idea how to code, man. So it's like, hey, Moose. Yeah, so you got this here, which is so it wants me to determine that this is what someone's written. Like the last thing anyone wants to code. Well, this is, I think, how they've done it is they've so they've set this up. So it's got requirements, open PC check. So I've got it set to pad button L, which is my Q on my keyboard. So whenever you hit the pad button, which would be like your little, you know, your button on your top of your Game Boy Advance or whatever, the left one. Whenever you click that, my PC comes up. So that's where you can change the button there. I know that part. So that's in script commands, and then you'd have your PC Anywhere scripts, which is this one, which is all ASM, which I got fucking no clue what the fuck that shit's about. And then you got a common script, I think. I think that's literally the whole thing. And then you've got this here, and it talks about like skip PC transition, return. Like, this shit's going over my head, man. There's no way I'm going to learn any of that. That's what I'm saying. I don't understand ASM. I don't understand coding. So this is not going to make any sense to me. Some people and monsters find every bit of memory themselves. Well, that's what I'm saying. Like, why can't it be just simple shit like, if this happens, do this? You know what I mean? But anyway, this is how my fucking shitty ass Porter PC set up. But from what my understanding, I'll show you something real quick. So my understanding is that there's another way you can do it. I don't know, but it's for DSPRE. I'll just take a screenshot. But this guy has done something like this. And what he's done is basically that, which to me is way more understanding. So it's like play message, wait button, open the touch screen, a multi-touch standard text comes up. So it has parameters and it sets a variable. And then it must just have different options. So create multi-touch box, blah, 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 blah. And then you obviously click one of the options, close it, close the touch screen, and then you'd set the variable, yada, yada. And then depending on which variable you clicked, you'd jump to the different function. So that to me makes way more fucking sense than trying to deal with all this like custom shit. Like this script here probably makes the most sense because it's written in C, right? Then you've got the PC Anywhere, which is ASM, I think. And then the comment script is ASM. But like, yeah, the script commands is like pretty straightforward. It must be like talking about flags and check if PC should be open. So it does this check here if it returns 0 or whatever. Like I'm only guessing that is. But then you look at like the PC Anywhere script. So it just allows you to use the PC Anywhere in the map. So instead of just going like you have to go to the PC center, the Pokemon Center to use the PC. This basically just allows you to use it anywhere, right? It just kind of overrides everywhere, but it just requests flags and hooks and man, that shit just goes way over my head. I'm not even gonna fucking try and do it. All I wanted to do was just set up a simple, like this thing here. I just wanted to set up a simple box on my screen. I'll even show you the guy who sent me a message. I'll show you what he did, right? What's his name? Sandow, I think his name was. So he's done something similar. I'm not fully understanding what all of it means, but he has a multi-option thingo. But he does this really cool shit, right? Like if you look at this is what I wanted to do with my game, right? I wanted to basically have. I wanted this. Do you see that? So the idea is that like you hit a button, which let's just say it's L. So you imagine you got your Game Boy Advance out, you got A, B, start, select. Right trigger on the top and then left trigger. So he'd press left trigger and he has a thing where this menu pops up. So normally you'd press select or start, I think it is, and your normal menu would pop up. He press the L button and this menu pops up. And what he can actually do is he can press sleep, poison, toxic, burn, paralysis, or sleep. And he can actually pre-status Pokemon that are in his party without going into the wild and versing like an Ekans to poison his Pokemon. He can just pre-poison it from this menu. What I'm saying is like you can do the same thing, but you can call upon the PC, or you can have like a toggleable like repel where it's like repel's either on, like infinity repel is constantly on, or it's off, and you can access it through this sub menu is what I call it. But like this guy isn't using HG Engine. This is on Platinum. So this is done via a where is it? He's got a pretty straightforward fucking script here though, but like that's for that. It basically just ties a multi-choice script to a key item, is what he's basically said to me. But like this one here, so like if you look at how he's done this, so as you can see there, he's basically play fanfare 1637, which is just basically the music. So you press the left bumper. To load up the menu, it'd go or something like that. Lock all, so it stops the player from moving while you're in this menu. Give item. Normally that is what you do to give the player an item, but then yeah, he just basically runs a local text script, and then he gives a bunch of options from 0 to 7, and then obviously depending on what you pick, you must store them into a variable, and then depending on what variable it is, it jumps to a different function, and if it gives you the Pokemon or whatever, right? But what I'm saying is it's the same sort of concept. I just want to have a sub menu, and I just want to assign different things to it. I want to be able to call upon a PC or toggle my repels or whatever, but I've been told you can do it in HG Engine, but I have fucking no clue, and all I've been told is to look at the comment script, which is this, and I'm looking at bruh, I got no fucking idea what is even done here. Like I can't understand. Like he's got skip PC off, clear flag, and he's got I'm guessing it's a variable there. Skip PC on off return, but like I don't understand. Like I need someone to actually explain to me what it's doing. You know what I'm saying? It's not Hatch Engine has a start menu somewhere, so you can do the same thing. I got a bear back though. That's okay, man. But yeah, I'm gonna just leave that for now. We're gonna just try and adapt to this new engine. Let's have a look. What do we got? Can we do a split? No, yeah, cool. So that'd be counters.s. Yep, so I want to go find little ran. Whoop. Which route was it on? 35, 36. So it crashed on me when I entered route 36, though, to be fair. Was it 36 or 30? I mean, oh, hold up. Was it 36? It was nighttime though, right? And it was definitely 35. Fuck, I need to go check my stream now. Give me a sec, guys. You might want to check the radio time and Golden City reviews what you're seeing around them. So we go him. Yeah, so it's 36, right? No, it was 35. Okay, so it's 35 and it jumped me on. I cannot confirm that it was 36. So there's something in here and it was nighttime, I believe. Yeah, there's opponents in the grass. So 9 times out of 10, it's something in here. Gulpin, Timber, Drowsy, Yanmar. What I'm saying is the game hasn't... I don't think it's anything... I'm just wondering, it could be any of the tables, to be fair. I just logically thought that what if it was like one of those guys? I guess the easiest way to do this would just be to play the game and try and replicate the same issue again. I don't even know where I saved the game, man. Probably saved like all the way back here. Yeah. So I gotta get rid of those Pokemon, but for now that's fine. I mean, everything in Empty here is pretty good, so I should better just beat all this shit and save it at that point, I think. Let's just blow these dudes up. Wrecked. Okay, so now okay, so he doesn't see him, which is good. Shit. Sayonara, man. Oh, you. Let's reset text. Rosewind hearts, love it. Alright, let's beat this dude. Fucking everyone's got fucking flash. Oh, sorry, it's 30 or focus sash. It's so annoying. Cool. I think I'm pretty happy up to that point of the game. I don't think there's any major game breaking stuff with them. I just got to remove the gift Pokemon from an entry in the forest, which I can just leave while I'm playtesting. So that's normal. Okay. Okay. Fucking yawning again, man. We still buy stuff from him. Type of beam lizard. Oh, I gotta readjust the items in the shop to 2. Okay, cool. Okay. All right, so you're standing there. Pretty happy to save the game here for now. Shouldn't have to go for all that other shit. Everything up to that point seems okay, except for the Manantric, which is easy. I just gotta remove a script. Fuck. Obviously, we're not really playtesting to see if the fights are hard. I'm just going through. Just to get past this. Just want to check the grass out. Nice. What happened there? So how the fuck do you outspeed me? But Sucker Punch, that's fine. Oh. I just realized because I'm toxic, I nearly died, lol. All right. This dude's fight was a little bit strong. I have to fucking tweak this because apparently my viewers think that, like, I mean, Countdown will stay, but the muck and that were shouldn't have even been involved at this point. Okay, so now we want to go into here. You're also a battle. I didn't even fucking know, lol. I don't want to save the game because I got to redo that fight, so let's just have a look. Okay, seconds comes on, that's fine. Timber's fine. Ekans is fine. Internet is fine. Open is fine. Internet is fine. Hoodoo is fine. Kogunk is fine. Drowsy is fine. Okay, hold up. So we've seen Drowsy. I've seen Timber. I've seen Gulpin. I've seen Ekans. I've seen Kogunk, Venonat, Hoot. So any ones I haven't seen yet is Skiddo, the Nidorans, and Yanmar. Pretty confident it's just the Nidorans. Okay, hold up. So why did it crash? Nidoran female wax. Skiddo wax. Nidoran comes up, then that's a bit of a problem. Nidoran male, that is. Yama comes up. So the only one that hasn't popped up yet is Nidoran male. I make this shit up, man. It's gotta be Nidoran M then, but fuck's wrong with his thing? Why would Nidoran M be broken if Nidoran... No, it's them. How's it going? Well, I was trying to find why my game crashed last night when I entered the grass. I literally just rewatched my stream. It's definitely an encounter because the fucking lines come across. But I've just gone through all the encounters for nighttime. And they're all fine. Is there something I'm missing? Is there like hidden characters or something? Have I got missing hidden characters? What about like... The only time I could get it to happen too, though, wasn't when I was just in the grass. It was when I was coming back through. I guess we're just gonna have to go because I've just checked all the encounters and they all appeared. Except they fucking breeze for all these fights. Oh gosh. I see I've got Scolipede in here too, so it's like, is that too early for him? Of course you get fucking poisoned, man. Jesus fucking Christ. Wow, level 100 doesn't actually kill level 28. That's crazy. What the fuck? That's resisted in 2 cosmic powers, man. Let's go here. Options should fucking destroy this guy. Oh, he's going for setup though? Okay, well played. Okay, but a little nice. I know more than you do. I use the self-destruct. Sucks shit, you fucking piece of shit. Okay. I'm get this one. Alright, let's dig. Alright, let's go in here. Next it's Surge, nice. Morgan comes out. Quag size probably free here. Oh, baton pass though, well played. Why does it not affect you? You probably got some crazy fucking shenanigans like air balloon or some shit. Nice double battle. I got like no moves for memes. So you need to switch out. Camera ups, what we got this, man. You're bad free as fuck, man. Let's erupt these fools. GG's, brother. Pelly, go Quag. No, that's not what I want. Not Quag. I need fucking Sansash. Dreadnought. Probably. Right, so we've done everything, right? Let's have a look here. There's still a flag. Okay, so one thing I need to fix up there is the person should face you as well. So we go make. What would it be? Make. Scientist. See our route 35 face you when interacting from behind. I look, you want to go have some fucking caffeine, but I don't want to be up late either, chat. Alright, so we got that. Because she should face you when you talk to her. Alright, so now we want to go up here. So she walks over. I'm the flower shop's Floria. Looks like that weird tree won't budge for now. In Goldenrod, sorry, for now. You might want to check the radio tower in Goldenrod City. Rumors Whitney's hanging around there. And she will not let you walk past that tile at all. Oh, but I should be waiting for movement though. It's not really a bug, but we'll say add. Wait. Add weight movement in flower shop warriors when blocking access towards pseudo. Okay. I mean, it still works, but it's just like, I feel like she should say the text after the movement has happened. You want to wait for the movement to happen, then it happens, right? So now this is where it happened last time. So let's go on here. So it does this. And then it fucking crashes. Fuck. But all the encounters work. It's not the encounter pool. There's something else wrong. The fuck? What's causing that? Yeah, I'm gonna get something to eat real quick. Because I probably shouldn't have already had ice cream, but whatever, man. I don't give a fuck right now. So I've added this. Now, that's not what the issue is. So we're gonna fucking crash the fix. Finishing interaction with Gloria. Does that make sense, chat? Does that make sense? Okay, give me a sec, bro. Back. Alright. What's everybody in chat doing? Million. Millie Pop. Get your little head out of there, sweet boy. Alright, so I thought it was this, but it's not. Alright, so what? What would be causing that to crash, though? That's one way to fix it. I'll fix that part of it. Alright, so it's only happening after that event too. So if I go to now right here. And then pop. Yeah, so it runs script 13, which is what I got set up, right? Depending which tile you land on. Well, it does have wait movement though, so why doesn't it wait for the movement before it plays the message? It only does it on the first time, but it won't do it any other time. Hmm. So you can set the flag. I'm just curious if you hit that script only once. Does setting the flag like over and over and over again, does that do anything? I think you have to clear the flag though. Hmm. So what would be going on here? I'm just gonna ask in the fucking Discord while I try to work it out. Okay. Give me a sec, chat. All you lurkers. How the fuck do I have 30 people lurking right now? What's everybody doing, chat? What's everyone doing? I'm just trying to work out if I've scripted this correctly. I just don't know. The thing is, it plays to the script, it does the movements, it plays the message, and like sets a flag. But if its flag's already been set, does like setting the flag numerous times fucking break the game? You're making food? What are you making, bro? What if I search for it? Oh, maybe it's because I'm not removing the overworld. Hold up a second. Is that why it's crashing? Hold up. So if I set a flag, have I always done set flag to remove an NPC? Go like killer name. National Park. Nah. I'll go here. What's your script 5? I'm pretty sure I do that though, because you set the flag at the end. But if I do that set flag on that trigger tile, I'm on a different thingo, so I can't remove the overworld because it's on a different it's on a different script. It's on a different head on. Because if you were to say go here, and you said 14. I'm sure there's a way, but yeah, so set flag alone will remove the overworld after you leave the map. There's got to be a fucking reason, right? What would be causing it, man? Problem is I got fucking no idea because it's like I got no idea, man. It's got nothing to do with what I'm doing. So fix that one. I mean, we fixed that part, which is just facing it, but once our flag disappears, I don't think that would change anything here, but I haven't done anything else on this map. All I've done is I've added that script in. And there's no way for me to really prove this, right? But the thing is, it crashes on the encounter pool, though. It crashes on the encounter pool coming back. I'm just wondering, can you set, yes, I set flag. Can you set a flag 2 times? I'm just curious, like, would AI know? I don't think it would, but, like, would they know? I'm trying to know. Fuck, wait, what's going on here, man? I don't want to listen to fucking jazz boys. Yeah, I'll just stay on that same flag. That's what I thought. I don't think it's a set flag doing it. So my question is, it just seems weird though, like I had all the encounters and they were fun. There's nothing showing in here. I don't even know where to start. Like, there's any... Everything on her seems to be fine, I think. I might have to come back to it, man, because I got no fucking clue. Like, I can muck around with this NPC. I mean, at this point in the game, you have access to cart, right? So what's stopped me from just putting a little tree there? But then you can just cut it down and go that way, and then you dodge. So I want them to be forced to go through National Park, right? I don't want to have to edit the map. It's just easy to put an NPC there. But why are you crashing after the trigger tile is done? I don't know what that flag is at. Let's just be phone. Unless there's something to do with that. How does he get to function 17? Yeah, so it just checks if a flag has been set. And if it has, jump to function 17 and then set another flag and then remove overworld and then clear flag 164. So what I'd have to do is see so it doesn't talk about anything about there. Doesn't say anything about 164 flag. That changes the level cap to 33, which is why. Wait, what? Oh no, because the cap is 30 for... Yeah, that's right. Cap is 30 for Whitney. 33, then it goes to 36 for Morty. Yeah, that's right. Okay. Should set the VAR to 1. So if it's 0, it lets you pass because it's now set to 1, right? So that should still be fine. I mean, unless this should be exactly the same as the other branch. So, I was gonna say maybe the AI branch has got different encounters here, but that doesn't make sense because what I've played, it encounters every single one of them, and there's no crashes, no bugs, or anything. But I just don't know how to. I just don't know how to debug this. So that's the thing. Unless I just see if it happens in the menu, maybe? I don't know. Let's just try and get it to emulate again, I guess. Up. I've obviously broken something. I don't know what I've broken though, but You kill him. I got no idea, boys. I got no idea. Right, I can fix this fight at least, but what food are you making, Moose? And how the fuck am I meant to do this now? Alright, so uh, um woo! Dude, fucking ice punch me. What the fuck's going on? No, nothing's happening so far. No glitches, no bugs, nothing, right? Okay, so we're just gonna do it once. It's a very weird crash, and I don't know what it is. I need to go get a drink bottle or something, man. I'm fucking tired, but God damn, it's only midnight and I'm so wrecked. But yeah, I just don't know, man. I don't know how to fix this crash. I thought it was something easy like the encounter pulls wrong, but I've gone there before I do that trigger tile, and every single Pokemon is fine. They all appear in the grass. The Nidorans, Yama, Abra, all of them, they all appear. Oh, hold up, though. No, it was nighttime, so we see Drowsy. There's nothing obvious standing out in front of me. You get back to, say, Route 35. She's the only thing I've changed in this. She's the only NPC I've added into this fucking script. And she just has a simple flag in the script and that's it. Like, there's nothing else to her. So there's no way that setting that... I don't know, man. I don't know, man. I don't know. What do you reckon, puppy? Just careful under there, buddy. There's all cables. Yeah, so 4A, 405A. So this is the one, so you can walk past it. Yeah, so I don't know. I don't particularly know where to start either. But yeah, I need that water. I'm not really like, I was so motivated earlier today, and now I'm just tired, and I'm like losing motivation really fast. Especially when it's like this sort of shit, I've got like nowhere to kind of go. Like, where the fuck do I go to search for this problem? Um, I don't think I can really do anything right now, guys. In regards to that, I need like actual help. Because I don't know how to fix that. Because logically in my head, it would just be like an encounter breaking, but I don't understand how to read errors from them. And the thing is that all the encounters work on the first time through, so why wouldn't they work on the way back? You know what I'm saying, chat? My 30 lurkers. How do I have 30 people lurking right now? Not a single person is chatting. That's so fucking strange. What is set flag 255 form? I mean, that's a possibility. So this is, I just searched it in the command base. Set flag 2555. Script file 243. Functions 18, 19, 20. But basically what it's saying is once a flag is set, like all it's doing is removing. So once the end of that script finishes, all it's doing is it changes the NPC. So it just removes the NPC from the overworld. So that flag is 2555. So the idea is that when the flag is set, which means the player has walked on said ticker tile over here, this chick disappears so that you can now walk through this section, whereas before, I prevent the player from walking through there, so they're forced to go through the national park. What is what doing with the follower Pokemon? I don't think the following Pokemon's included at all anyway. Let's just have a look at example of another set flags. Should be like set flag 2. This looks like a flag that I've done. I don't know, 508. That's Surge's fight. What's E2553? Yeah, so I think all the flags to them work alright. I just want to see the flag though for just like a random NPC blocking something. Well, a good example would be 30, right? Oh no, sorry, Brock's so Dark Cave. So we want to go look at Brock's script. So this is a trigger tile, which some plays just one. One, two, or three. I think it could be the fact that we're not removing the overworld, but the thing is like I don't know how to remove an overworld on a different script. Like on a different header. Like what I could do is go into trying to work out how the fuck I do that. How do I do that? I need to go and I'm losing like my train of thought here, fuck's sake. Maybe it's in here, maybe it's already like something that's been commonly discussed, I don't know. Someone's writing a message, maybe I've gotten help. Only thing I can think of is like, type that in, what comes up. Well, they're saying remove overworld immediately removes the overworld, so you shouldn't have to use it. So I think remove overworld immediately removes it, whereas set flag, if it's not in view, will remove it anyway. Let's throw my head in, but theoretically you shouldn't have to have the remove overworld unless you want to immediately remove the NPC from the map. But that's the reason why we run it in conjunction with this probably isn't it, but have you tried removing the overall entity with the flag change? That's what I'm saying. Like, if it was in my head, it should be like this. It should be Route 36. Right. You go to the trigger tile. This is 13. 18, 19, 20. So like that's the only thing I'm not doing is removing the overall, which is definitely a good shout, but the like is there a way where you can reference an overall from different header? So this one's saying he always pairs it with that. Um, if you want that to be removed while you're still on that header, you can use remove Overwatch. Yeah. I wonder if that's the only, because that's the only thing I've done to this fucking area though, right? Well, I just don't know how to reference it. It's on a different thing. The only thing I could do is do like an alias, I suppose. Yeah, you only use remove Overwatch if you're on the same header. Unless you just fucking sit near, man. I don't know, dude. I don't know what to do. I don't think I've done anything wrong, so it's kind of like whatever. Let's just move on to something else. Otherwise, I'm just gonna feel cooked, man. I just feel like I'm not doing anything. put like a dash next to it. Nah, I'll delete it if it's done. So you can't do the crash. And that's something I needed to do too, right? Is Floria's script. So the problem is that if you walk on the trigger tile once, it forces you back on the stairs, right? I've got a weight movement on all of them though, so why does it, when you go to a different trigger tile, is it because she hasn't gotten all the way back to the end or something? No, you have to have a weight movement after these or something. I'd say that would fix that for now, right? I don't know if that's going to fix it, but I think it's quite trivial. Problem is you got to walk fucking 9 tiles. Maybe that's how you can do a weight movement at the start of the script as well. Maybe. And we could do that. Maybe that might just fix it for some weird reason. I'm not sure if it actually do anything, but it might just need to wait for movements before the next step happens, right? Anyway, save that. Add some more weight movements in. I don't think that's gonna do much, but whatever. We did the face shooting, right? No, did I? No, I'm on the wrong thing. Pretty sure I did. Script 6. Yeah, I got faceplate there. Cool, we're chilling. Okay. So I'm not really making much progress tonight. I gotta do this ROMhacking shit way early, man, because this time of night I just get fucking cooked. I'm tired, man. It's so hard to concentrate and stuff. I'll just put here. Playtesting. I wish you could change colors and shit, man. Like, just highlight this bit here. Okay, so we got another fight, which is this guy. $388. Okay. Now, apparently, Fire Breather Walt would not have these Pokemon at this point in the game. Can anyone vouch for that? Because Mark doesn't involve the 38. And Palisand doesn't involve the 42. So my question now is, if we're going to revamp this team, what am I swapping him out for? Who am I swapping Muck out for? And the Palisand. Because Houndoom's legit because he can evolve at 24 from Houndour. I've already used him. I also got Houndoom there. Houndoom. I don't even know how to fucking put him, man. What's cap 28? Maybe Zedakae Nidorina? I can use 5 type moves and stuff, right? That makes sense because you can get Nidoran on this route. Oh, using the king before, yeah. I mean, he does get used throughout the game, but something different. Nidoking. Do like I still got better attack though. Do like fire punch. Wasn't job. Run. Assault vest, let's give him another attacking move, maybe. We got fire punch for Grass, steel. Poison jab for, yeah, grass, stuff like that. Fire types, stuff like that. Maybe we should get onto that then. Have I used the muck on? I haven't even used normal muck. But he doesn't. You don't. Hold up. You don't get him to 38. I could use Skuntank too, actually. I think I don't need the other fights, just fucking magmas. Somebody. Technically, it doesn't evolve to his 30. Fuck's sake. Yeah. I just use Garbodor in pocket. Fuck, I've been doing like 3 hours and 19 minutes. What the fuck have I done in that time? I've done fuck all, man. Oh, I really gotta get on this shit early in the night, man. I'm so cooked. Oh, I just need to have crap loads of caffeine. I'm like, shouldn't be dependent on that now, but I think I am still a bit. Garbodor. I guess it's kind of thematic, I suppose. Kind of. Another thing that happens too is generally you make him a steel type as well, which I think that's something I want to do. If I go into mod data, let me look up Garbodor. I'd argue that this would just be like one of his metal moves. I wonder if he gets it in his line sets. I mean, he gets Metal Core, but is that it? Don't have to give him a stab metal type move. We'll just give him Drain Punch. Fuck it. Nature. Here we go. Now I could make Fandoom special. Instead of having 3 physical ones. I don't know why you've been set up to be physical. I'm from... That could work. Um, is it Jolie that I'm thinking of? I'll just say Timon. I'm all over this shot, man. I can't even keep it fucking clean straight for right now. Fuck me. And chat's pretty dead, so I'll probably dip soon, I guess. Done a little bit tonight. I've done some little things, but fuck all. I'll probably better off doing this in the daytime when I'm just way more awake. Trying to think of a nature for him. Yeah, fuck this, man. I think like physical users at this point of the game. Just do impish. I don't give a shit right now. Adamant, Stench, Toxic, Rest Poison, Protect, Drain Punch, Buck Sludge. Yep. Kingdom 28, sheer force, soul vest. He's a bitch. We're not with him. All right, we've revamped that fight. That's fun. I don't know why Houndoom was physical then, but probably just because it had a nicer set. My physical moves when it was at that level. All right. I'm just, I don't know, man. I'm fucked. I'm tired. I'm just with him. I'm pretty with that. All right, guys. If anyone's actually liking whatever, thanks for hanging out. Thanks for watching. Just seems super weird. They got like 27 viewers and like no one's chatting, but I'm tired, man. So I'm just going to opt to go to sleep because I'm fucked. Going to be probably early streams the rest of the week, guys. Maybe one more stream tomorrow. We'll see. But then, yeah, I'll be early streams the rest of the week. So hope to see you there. Thanks for watching. Peace out. Bye.